All right, I got a new toy today. So this is a broken Nikon D750, only semi-broken though. So it's got this error code that flashes. If I, oh, okay. So to me, that sounds like there's something that is getting kind of stuck. So if you listen to this closely, I don't have a great microphone on here, but so let's go ahead and put an SD card in here. You see that the screen works great. The camera itself is in pretty good condition. Now let's try firing this with an SD card. Still got that same funny sound in it. I don't know how this camera should sound. The inside looks like. Okay, yeah, so it looks like the mirror is stuck. Maybe. Let's try putting a lens on this. All right, put on a lens. Fire this off again. Yeah, still got that funny sound. See if we have like any kind of live view working. Yeah, so I think it's something with the mirror. Also, I just saw if I try to lock the mirror up for cleaning, it says this option is not available in the camera's current state. So that is very interesting. All right, I'm going to try a little bit of manual intervention here. Another camera. We can look for reference. Yeah, so you can see in here, maybe there's another little mirror behind this that folds up out of the way. And then this one, let's cut that one. Maybe my head's not in the shot, we'll see. And then this one, this mirror down here, isn't moving. So, it's stuck somehow. Here's another body that's actually broken electrically and not worth dealing with. So I'm going to just use this to kind of figure out more how this mechanism is supposed to work. Folds up. Okay, so I don't know if you can see in here, but there's a little tiny nub. I think that might have been it. Yep. Okay. So if you are having this issue, let me switch this out because I'm pretty sure that was it. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay, you can see that. So I will put a little graphic on there. You see there's a little nub there that goes into a loop. That was out of the loop and causing it issues. So now that goes all the way back down. If I pull this up again, you see now the mirror goes all the way up. I have high hopes for this. Let me put a battery back in here and see what we got. That sounds a lot better, and now there's no more error code. All right, let's put this ring back on. See if we just saved ourselves a couple $100. All right, we have live view. That's something. And Look at that. We have a picture. So, got a working camera now. That's pretty satisfying.